Hello, welcome to the hydraulics class. So today we'll see the centrifugal pump and its parts and working principle. The centrifugal pump consists the following components: shaft, impeller, casing, suction pipe with footwall and strainer, and delivery pipe. Shaft, it is a central rotating part of a pump to which an impeller is connected. The shaft is coupled to the prime mover to get the power. Impeller, it is fixed over the shaft and consists a series of backward curved vanes. It is a rotating part of the centrifugal pump and is enclosed in watertight casing. Casing, it is the tight passage surrounding the impeller and is designed in such a way that the kinetic energy of the water is converted into pressure energy before leaves the casing. Fourth, that is a suction pipe and footwall and strainer. It is a pipe whose one end is connected to the inlet of the pump and other end is dips into the water sump. The lower end of the pipe is connected with a footwall and a strainer delivery pipe. It is a pipe whose one end is connected to the outlet of the pump and other end delivers the water at the required height. So here is the sketch of the centrifugal pump. At the bottom you can see that the footwall and strainer, suction pipe and suction pipe, impeller, casing, delivery pipe and delivery valve. The centrifugal pump works on the principle of the forced vortex flow. Before starting the pump is filled up with water in the suction pipe, casing and portion of the delivery pipe up to the delivery valve. It is known as priming. When the pump starts, the impeller rotates and causes its water into the center of the pump casing to flow towards the periphery of the pump casing by centrifugal force. This creates the vacuum around the shaft and at the center, pump center causes the flow of water from the sump through the suction pipe into the pump casing. As soon as water enters into the pump casing at the center and thrown towards the circumference due to the centrifugal force continuously by the impeller, and the pressure energy of the water is further increased by delivering the passage provided to the provided by the volute safe, and the pressurized water is discharged through the delivery pipe. That is the type of casing